It's been an amazing journey, like with ups and downs, a lot of stress and unknown. But I think what really made the difference is that Inspire was there, throughout all the challenges and gave like great tips and advice. My name is Monica, and I've been working with Inspire since I think a few months now, and today is the great day when we actually get to sign and I'll get the keys. It's been an amazing journey, like with ups and downs, a lot of stress and unknown. But I think what really made the difference is that Inspire was there, throughout all the challenges and gave like great tips and advice. And if I were to do it again, I would definitely hire a professional and hire Inspire. I think the main wins or the main things I appreciate about them is how professional and knowledgeable they are. Since I'm a foreigner and have been living in Barcelona for a few years, but also traveling quite a lot, it's impossible to have like all the in-depth real estate knowledge that they have. So I think the fact that they know the neighborhoods, they know what to advise, they know what has a potential investment, also the things to be careful about, really made a difference. And also in my case, just because the property I'm buying is a bit had some it was more of a complex process. It really helped that they had the end-to-end insights, so they could advise on the appraisal, they could advise on the legal elements, they could check for overdue payments or unpaid taxes. So I think this really made a difference, that myself as an individual buyer, especially being a foreigner, I could have never look for or even think about. So it really helped also because I travel a lot, I'm really busy with my work. There was no way I could have had the time and energy to invest in all the little things that they did. So thanks a lot, Inspire, really appreciate it, a great journey, and absolutely recommend everyone to do the same and hire a professional and take the advice from Inspire. So thanks a lot.